Hyperview allows users to display the archive footage from one or all of the cameras associated with the Tyco Cloud Gateway. In order to enable Hyperview for a single camera, simply click on the lightning bolt icon located on any of these small preview screens. This feature takes footage from the last 24 hours of each camera and condenses them into a 60-second clip. This video displays all of the activity found on each camera. While viewing this video, a user can pause or play the video at any point. There's also a timeline tracker that you can drag your cursor on to move forward or back on the timeline. The white boxes indicate where the motion window was set up by the user, and the red boxes indicate what motion was detected within that white box. If a user wishes to view a 24-hour clip from a different specific date, you simply click on the calendar located above the video and choose the date from which you wish to view. Hyperview is an ideal tool to use when trying to locate a specific person, vehicle, or event without having to watch hours of video. In this example, I'm trying to locate a white truck from yesterday. Once I have located the truck, I can pause the video and click on the magnifying glass in the top right corner. This will redirect me to the Archives folder to show me the entire video clip from that specific day and time. If a user wishes to view Hyperview videos from all of their cameras at the same time, you simply click on the lightning bolt tab located on the far right corner of the screen. This specific lightning bolt tab will allow a user to view all of their camera's Hyperviews at the same time. Please note that loading Hyperview for multiple cameras will take more time than loading Hyperview for just one camera.